Hey babes, welcome to the Happiness Heals channel. My name is Tiffany. If you're new here, welcome. And if you're returning, welcome back, friends. Today we're doing a plan with me session in my Live Rich planner by The Budget Mom. I love using this planner. It helps me keep my weeks organized. I use the personal planning pages as well as the weekly layout to give me an idea of what I'm doing every single day and just keeping things on paper, out of my brain, and in a way that allows me to be functional. Today I'm doing this video a little bit differently. I will not be talking through the planning session. I will simply just show you my process. There will be music playing, and then I'll come back at the end and talk through what I did, why I made certain decisions in my planning process. If you have any additional comments, let me know down in the comments below and I will address them. I love chatting with you about all things planning, budgeting, and just lifestyle. Let's get started. I think that is all that I plan to put on this week's spread. I've got a little decoration. I've got lots of colors here, a lot of boxes. I am ready to fill things in and get my week totally planned out. So this is my weekly spread. And this is my personal planning spread for this week. I really did love using the Womankind sticker book. As you can see from my filming, I definitely like to use all the stickers. I know everyone is not the biggest sticker fan, but hopefully this gives you some ideas, if not how to decorate, how to use the layout and the different pieces of information that you put into your planner in creative ways. So I really do hope you enjoyed that. I love the florals this week from that planner. I used some of my Planner Kate sticky. I am really going through a phase now, and I'm trying to use up more of my sticker collection so I can add to it. So I've been just trying to pull more and more things from my collection into my spreads as possible. And so I use things from Planner Kate. I use things from Happy Planner. I use things from Erin Condren. I use things from anywhere that inspires me or serves the purpose in my planner that I need. As you can see, I continue to switch out the different sections on my personal planner page week to week based on what I think I need to be tracking. I'm starting to use my habits tracker more now because I have a lot of new lifestyle habits that I'm trying to implement in my life, and I like to be able to go back and reflect on what days I know I did different things. And also, we are trying to get prepared for a vacation this year. I'm that person that tends to wait to the last minute, and I want to start trying to pre-plan some things early so that we can get good deals, good locations, and the very first thing will be figuring out where we're going to go this year. So I'll be working on that with my family as well. I am adding in a new section here for work. That is not something I normally include in my planner, but I'm going through a transitional phase back to the office where we will be working from home designated times and then working in the office designated times. So I want to start preparing for what I need to do that transition smoothly. I will probably still continue to cover most of my work things in my separate work planner, but I do want to kind of make sure that this is a smooth transition for my household as well. And then on the weekly spread, I went with these cute boxes this week because if you've been following me for a while and watching my spreads, you know that I like to do my top 3 up here. And rather than doing the icons that I normally do, I just thought it'd be cute to switch it out, especially with this theme in a different way. Use the boxes. So I'll be filling those in with my top 3. I also have these new icons here where I like to track what videos I'm putting up on YouTube. I put in these cute little boxes for work. Once again, another non-essential, but just something that I thought was cute from my collection from Mama Gloria. Actually, these are her stickers, both the boxes as well as these work stickers, and quite a few others actually here on this spread. But I wanted to just use them up, and I thought they would be cute with this colorful spread that I did for this week. So I'll be filling those in. I got boxes here for all my different appointments and things I know I would like to cover. Appointments. And then here at the bottom, I always like to designate my evenings for me time or for self-care or for time with my family. And so I've been trying to make sure that I track that as well. Something that I stopped tracking, but I am actually going to start tracking again on my planner, at least on the days where I need to, is our evening meals. I'm simply just writing in what I plan to eat, and what we actually eat may be different from that, and I can track that on my daily. But I like to track just kind of what my meal plan says I should be cooking, at least on the days when I need to cook. And then this one here is actually my daughter's cook day, and so I just like to highlight that as well, and I'll just probably put that it's her night to cook there. So I think that pretty much covers everything. These little boxes are for packages that I know I'm receiving this week. Like I said, I use my planner to really try to brain dump all the things that I have going on in a particular week and how to make them happen. That is really what this is capturing. I'm going to go in and do my weekly goals as well as what's important to me.
me this week. And then my workouts, they are becoming more essential as well. And so I like to track them on the table here. I really do like that. At one point, I was using it for other things, but I've come back to using that for its original purpose. I like to track the weather here at the top. These stickers are actually from Mama Gloria. I absolutely love the cute little icon she has for that. I think that pretty much covers everything. If you have any questions about how I put together my spread, I know it's a time lapse, so you basically just see my process from start to finish. But if you have any questions about how or why I do different things, please leave them in the comments below. I love to chat with my subscribers. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also, make sure you hit the subscribe button as well as the notification bell so that you'll be informed the very next time we have something to share on the Happiness Heals channel. The other thing is, make sure you're following me on Instagram if you like to see what the after the pen spread looks like when I fill in these pages. Take care, friends.